Oh no, do not fall. Do not fall.
I'm gonna try and get some camera shots that don't have floating turds in them.
This sucks.
Let's go flush the toilet and see what happens.
Oh no.
Yeah, how's your morning going? Did y'all hear YouTube's adding smell in the next update?
Aren't they always supposed to have those?
Not in 1967. 1967, you dug a damn hole.
We can poop again in peace.
Of course, one of the coldest days of the year. Septic backup. Why not? Let's deal with it. How did I know exactly where to dig that hole? Well, when I bought the place, I had the septic tank pumped out because who knows? And when I did that and located it, I put this nice little sign on the wall telling me exactly where the septic tank is. So, totally worth doing. It's aluminum. Great way to use a plasma cutter to save yourself some time later on. And it certainly did this time.
Oh, I gotta go warm up.
How's your morning going? Ugh.
This sucks.
All right, so a little while back, Vevor sent out their sewer pipe inspection camera, actually for an entirely different project, but it's coming in useful today. I so far like it. It's a pretty bright screen. It's got its own little battery, but I didn't have it charged, so I'm running it off a inverter thing. Flexi camera, and the light turns on and off. And we're just gonna send this guy down the pipe. It's as clean as this is ever gonna be.
Yeah, it's a video about a sewer. There's gonna be some dookie. Don't watch if you don't want to see it.
Oh, yeah, that's a giant clod of turds. And branches, son of a bitch. Oh, nice. There's branches, there's roots everywhere. And now there's dookie on the screen. All right, more roots. Cool. That's what I was expecting, but doesn't mean I'm happy to see it. Oh, okay, we're through it. That lens is so gross. Oh no. All right, we're coming all the way back out. Man, dip it in that. Ugh. Okay, so it's got this little attachment thing to kind of keep the camera centered in a pipe. And we're gonna take that off. No. Oh, we got through. All right. I will bet good money that's in my master bathroom's toilet. That's so cool. Yeah, all right, that's as far as I can push it. It's just kinking up now. Let's go flush the toilet and see what happens.
Don't worry, there's 100% no chance I'm showing the other angle of this. Nope. Turn the fan back on.
That actually, I'm very happy about that. I thought my pipes were gonna be screwed, and it really looks like it's just the ones that are PVC that have cracked. So I guess I'm gonna get a roto-rooter thingy, I don't know what they're called. Alrighty guys, after having used this thing, I like it. Couple little complaints really. The camera footage is stretched out to 22.5 by 9 for some reason. If you squash it back down to 16 by 9, it's perfectly good. It's only 288p, but the recordings, as you saw, are good enough. The screen is super bright, which is nice when you're out in the sun, and everything houses in this little waterproof box, which is good. I like it. The only other real thing to say is the cable has markings on it. They're in metric, but they're kind of hard to see. It'd be nice if they were darker or brighter, but a Sharpie will fix that. Pretty happy with this thing. So thanks to Vevor for sending it out. There'll be links down in the description if you want to check it out. Maybe get yourself one. We decided that if we're this far into it, might as well do it right. It actually looked like the roots were just in the space between the garage and the tank. So dug the whole thing up, got into it, and we're just gonna replace the pipe and add the clean out this thing should have had. Found a big source of the problem here. There's a cast iron pipe for the house. This is what was the end of the drain pipe, and it was just shoved on there. No plumber's putty, no boot, no nothing. I hate people. Oh no. Y'all hear YouTube's adding smell in the next update? I've got a flipped inside out belt from my 2x72 belt grinder that's pretty worn out. I'm just gonna clean the edge of this pipe up a little bit. Just knock off any of the really obnoxious detritus. And I've got a rubber boot that's going on there. And that will allow me, because I can slide that up that far, it'll allow me to build out the whole pipe and then slide that back over. I don't need an expansion coupler anywhere. Gross. All right, pipe's fixed. We can poop again in peace. Now let's put the clean out in. All right, I just finished being able to shit again.
Nice.
Now it's got a clean out.
Aren't they always supposed to have those?
Not in 1967. Now they are. In 1967, you dug a damn hole.
Well, they obviously replaced it since 1967.
Yeah, that doesn't mean they brought it up to code. Alrighty, so I'm gonna put 5 gallons of water down the sink to check for any leaks. Should be good though. Alright, so it's the next morning. Showers have been had. No water in the trench at all, even before the leaves were here. I call this good, so we're just gonna fill the hole back in and then job's done. Well guys, that just about wraps this one up. Not what I thought I was gonna be doing today. It's been in the 30s all day. Thank you to Vevor for sending out the drain camera. I'll have information and links down in the description of that. They did send it to me, asked me to use it in a video, but that was the end of it. They're gonna see this when you see this. So, yeah, it's sponsored, not sponsored. There'll be some links here. If you guys want to check out some welding kits, go over to weldityourselfkits.com. Learn to weld or make something cool for your shop. Until next time, thanks for stopping by. I didn't even make one crappy joke.